Hazur, his second part of the question, which again simple again once more. He said, am I allowed to call my company Rabwah or not?
It's meaningless. To call a company Rabwah is just a meaningless thing. But of course he can call company anything. He can call his company Jerusalem or whatever he likes. But I don't think it's good to call the company by the name of a township. Makkah, Medina, this and that. Eh? Tell him, think of something else, please. But there is no religious harm or organizational harm from the Jamaat point of view. If anyone calls his company Rabwah, he may so do so, please. Moreover, I think it will be disadvantageous for him economically to call his company Rabwah. Many Pakistani Muslims would run away from him when they hear that it's Rabwah company. Right? It may create problems for him and his company when through his company people are booked for Hajj and they say, look here, they are Rabwah people who are coming to your place. Yes.
What?
The tickets of such companies are wrapped in their paper, regular paper. On that would be written large Rabwah. So it is an invitation for trouble.